Hey guys, so it's Little Owl again, and this is part 2 of making the slime. Since it reached its maximum, I couldn't record the video fully, so part 2. So I didn't add anything, so yeah, let's just keep mixing. Actually,
what do you have there so far?
Right now I have in here some glue. I added a lot of water, which it helped it be sticky. I added this mousse shaving cream. I used the whole bottle of glue. I added all the water that was in here. I added a little bit of this, and I added a little bit of baking soda, and I added the rest of this, which was just a little bit. So, and now I'm just starting to mix it up. I'm pretty sure that we need a little bit more, actually, because it's really sticky. Well,
what do you need more of?
We need a little bit more baking soda, so I'm gonna try to get some of my finger. That should be enough. Dump that in. Okay. Because this slime is really sticky. Some people like sticky slime, some people don't. I'm the one who doesn't like sticky slime. I kind of like it, but I kind of don't. Sticky slime stretches really good. Some sticky slime doesn't. So yeah, I guess we just keep mixing. This slime is like done, but I can't get it, so I'm gonna add a little bit more baking soda inside here. Okay.
It's getting better.
It's getting better. I know my mom wouldn't like this slime because it's too sticky. Because my mom hates sticky slime. Okay, it's getting better. You know what I think we need? I think this has to get a little bit more activated. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that.
It should be ready, right?
Yeah, it should be ready. And I also added a little bit of baking soda in here as well. Okay, now it's getting much better. It's getting more firm.
I think you
It's
did
definitely
it.
sticking to the bowl. Okay, let's see. Oh. Let's see. I'm gonna try to get the slime out. And the bowl has to go.
It's done.
Yes, it is done. Okay, I need help. Move this activator. Move this bowl. Move this bowl. Oh gosh, guys, this is harder than it looks. I know. Sticking to everything. Oh, get the spoon out of there. Okay. This slime is so sticky. Okay, finally. I need one hand to be free from the slime. Alright. Whoa, this spoon. There we go. Alright. Now let's... Okay, I guess the glue is trapped in the slime. Alright, okay, so this is the finished product. I might add food coloring to it. Well, I kind of don't have some food coloring. But you know what I do have? I do have markers. Maybe I could try to color it with my markers. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed part 2, which was kind of short, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!